What is GitHub? GitHub is a popular platform for hosting and collaborating on software development projects. Some examples of vulnerabilities that can affect GitHub include insecure repository settings. If repository settings are not properly configured, an attacker could potentially gain unauthorized access to sensitive data or launch attacks against the resources. Unpatched software. If software hosted on GitHub is not kept up to date, it could contain known vulnerabilities that an attacker could exploit. Misconfigured access control. If repository access control is not properly configured, an attacker could potentially gain unauthorized access to GitHub resources. Insecure third-party libraries. If a repository includes vulnerable third-party libraries, an attacker could potentially exploit these vulnerabilities to gain access to sensitive data. Malicious code injection. An attacker could potentially inject malicious code into a repository and use it to launch attacks or steal sensitive information. It is important to properly configure and secure GitHub settings, keep software up to date, properly configure access control, manage third-party libraries, and regularly review the code for malicious injections to protect against these types of vulnerabilities.